Stadium crush in Madagascar. At least 12 people reported dead, 11 critically injured. Local media reported that a stadium crush during the opening ceremony of the Indian Ocean Island Games in Madagascar on Friday resulted in the death of at least 12 sports fans. The Prime Minister Christian Ence announced that 11 people were critically injured and around 80 were injured in total. The stadium, which has a capacity of 41,000 people, has a history of deadly crushes. In 2018, one person died and 37 were injured before a qualifying game for the African Cup of Nations soccer tournament between Madagascar and Senegal.